Because they said, that's why I never smoked pot. I didn't want to get arrested.
Located off of Pullman's Bishop Boulevard, Whitman County's first pot shop is now open for business.
Here at MJ's Pot Shop, Pullman residents get the chance to purchase marijuana products. However, you can only purchase these products if you're 21 years of age or older. So if you're 20 like me, good luck getting in there because you can't.
MJ's Pot Shop owner and manager, Mary Jane Smith, describes the types of customers that come in every day.
These people are professionals, they have careers, they're not gonna go stand in a corner and buy pot because they could lose their job. And so legally, they like it better.
All products are tested and approved by the Liquor Control Board, which supervises the entire marijuana industry in Washington.
People were amazed. They're thinking they're gonna see these little Ziploc bags, and they really don't do that anymore. So they're so refined now that, you know, now if you went on the street to buy something, it's just not comparable.
Smith predicts that the marijuana industry will continue to grow figuratively and literally in the coming years.
I think by 5 years, I think you probably could buy anything infused with marijuana.
Reporting for Murrow News 8, I'm Brady Wakayama.